Ang leverage, parang bisagra ng pinto. Maliit lang siya, pero siya ang nagbubuhat o gumagalaw sa buong bigat ng pinto. Subukan mong buksan ang pinto or gate ng walang bisagra or hinge. At yun ang ginagawa ng maraming hardworking Filipinos. You see, the best kind of work is anything you do today na pwede kang bayaran again and again and again for years, sometimes for decades. One effort, you will get paid many times. Could be isang content, isang idea, isang system, or isang digital product. Yes, maaring hindi siya agad malaki. Minsan maliit lang. Pwedeng 1,000 pesos lang. Pero ang difference, hindi siya nawawala kinabukasan. Hindi siya nagre-reset. At habang tumatagal, maaring dumadami. Habang dumadami, lumalaki. So, yung 1,000 pesos, magiging 10,000 pesos. Then eventually, magiging 100,000 pesos. At bigla mong mapapansin, hindi ka nalang basta pagod. May progress ka na without working harder. Let me say this clearly, my friend. The goal is not to work less. Hindi will ni Lord na maging lazy tayo. The goal is to work on things that don't disappear.